This is Please, Please, Please Let Me Get What I Want by the Smiths. Fantastic song and easy open chords throughout when we play it how I believe it's played in the original recording and by Johnny Marr when he plays it live. Capo 2nd fret in the key of C major, but starting on a C major 7 chord. Let's take a look at this one. So the chords in the verse to Please, Please, Please Let Me Get What I Want are a C major 7, proportionate to the capo, of course, with all these chords. It's G major, which you can play any way you like, but this is really handy to change to a C, played with middle finger at the 2nd fret, 3rd finger and pinky in place of fingers 1, 2 and 3, because then we can go straight back to a C major chord, which is what happens for those first 2 chords. And then we go to E minor, F major 7, finally G major, and again this way is recommended so we can play the G sus4, which is played like this, with the first finger down on a C note, where it would go on a C chord. The strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up per bar throughout the whole song. But let's just go for a single strum of each chord to get the progression in verse 1. C major 7, 2, 3, 4. Good times for a change. E minor, see the luck I've had, can make a good man turn bad. 2, 3, 4. That's the verse. Let's see if we can get that on the beat strumming now. 2, 3, 4. Good times for a change. See the luck I've had, can make a good man turn bad. Let's go for that with the full strumming now. 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Good times for a change. See the luck I've had. When you go for that extra strumming, really, really important that your hand's moving at that 16th rhythm. And I'm using the thumb on the F major 7 to mute string 6, but I'm letting string 5 ring out. It's part of an F chord, sounds fine, but mute string 6 and then you can always be strumming all 6 strings at all times. The progression for the chorus is an F major 7. So please, please, please. That's to a G major. C, straight to C over B, or some people play this as a G over B. It doesn't matter, we just need that root note. Whichever you prefer is fine. I prefer this. C, C over B, and then it goes straight to F, so we can keep that first finger down for all of that progression. F again, to G, to A minor, this time of those lyrics. F major 7, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4 is that G sus4. Beautiful Johnny Marr chords there. Let's have a look at that on the beat from the F major 7 at the start of the chorus. 3, 4. So please, please, please. Let me get what I want this time. F major 7, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4. And then we're into verse 2. Let's go for that chorus with the extra strumming. The extra strumming is going to take some practice to get up to speed. I'm doing it slower. But you need to work at that at your own pace to get the coordination right. Make sure this hand keeps going at a certain BPM, and you change chord to the strumming hand. You don't wait. Your strumming hand cannot stop. It needs to keep going at exactly the same rhythm. Bam, ba-da, ba-da, 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Let me get what I want this time. Do 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 F 2 3 4 G 2 3 4, and then it's exactly the same as that again for the second half of the song, and then there's just an outro. So let's play verse 1, chorus 1, verse 2, chorus 2, and then we'll look at the outro separately. If you struggle with any of this, just simplify the strumming to that main pulse of the song, which is essentially the chorus. So please, 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 just strum on that, or strum every chord, but keep the timing along to me or along to the original recording, making sure that this chord hand is changing to the speed of the strumming or the rhythm of the song. Don't want to pause your strumming hand for your chord hand. It's literally a rule that we don't want to do it that way around. Do that and you should be able to keep up. Let's have a go at this wonderful song. In 2 3 4. Good times for a change. See the luck I've had can make a good man turn bad. So please, 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 let me get what I want this time. Haven't had a dream in a long time. See the life I've had can make a good man bad. So for once in my life, let me get what I want. Lord knows it would be the first time. Lord knows it would be the first time. Now let's have a look at this outro, which actually starts at the end of chorus 2, where we go, Lord knows it would be the first time, C7. That's where changes really start to come in. So we have C, 2, 3, 4. It's essential to start off with. This outro is just F major 7 G. It's the same as a chorus, a full chorus. Gonna get what I want. F, G, C, C7. So it's like a repetition of that last chorus again, but then it's E minor for 2 bars, A minor for 2 bars, F major 7 for 2 bars, and G for 2 bars. And then the song ends on that G, one strum of a G. So same as the chorus, and then on the E minor and A minor, just for the short time, 2 bars each. Let's have a look at that now, but let's start from chorus 2 and get that separate, and then we're going to put it all together, the full thing. So single strums, because this bit's quite long, and you and I'll shout them out as we go. So chorus 2, 2, 3, 4. So for once in my life, let me get what I want. Lord knows it would be the first time, A minor. Lord knows it would be the first time, C7. Do, do, do. This is the outro, C, so that would be F major 7, F major 7, G, C, C7, E minor, A minor, F major 7, and then G. If you wanted to, you could finish on the C major, because that's the key of the song, but this song finishes on a G. So that's how all that goes. It's under 2 minutes, this song. So let's go for a full play along now, all those sections taught. And again, if you struggle with the strumming, just simplify it more on the beat, or just doing 1 and 2 and would be perfect. Add the up strums in when you're ready. Join in with me if you wish. Basic single strums of each chord will make it easier for you, of course, to follow the chord sheet that I'll link to in the description below. Let's have a go. In, 2, 3, 4. Good times for a change. See the luck I've had can make a good man turn bad. So please, 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 let me get what I want this time. Haven't had a dream in a long time. See the life I've had can make a good man bad. So for once in my life, let me get what I want. Lord knows it would be the first time. Lord knows it would be the first time. Thanks for checking out this video. I'll leave another couple of videos on screen now that I think you might enjoy, along with a link to the Andy Guitar membership. We have loads of online courses where you can literally learn guitar in the correct order, knowing exactly what to do now and what to be tackling next. We have live streams every week. We have a thriving Discord community where you can get the peer-to-peer support that you need to keep yourself accountable. All of that is with the Andy Guitar membership at andyguitar.co.uk. Hope to see you over there. Bye-bye for now.